Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have two special guests who are afraid of speaking, but they are brave enough to tackle this. So let's see how they respond. Okay, so Nikhil, I'm going to start with you. So, what is your
Okay.
full name?
My full name is Nikhil.
What is your full name?
My full name is Vishal Bhatti.
So, Nikhil, what is the meaning of your name?
My meaning of my name is a blessing of God's.
Do you like your name?
Yes, I like my name. My grandfather give me this name. I like name.
Shall same question for you.
My name meaning is large, and this name give my father. That's why I like my name.
Okay, Nikhil, describe your hometown.
I live in a forest city. It's between Jantar and Ludhiana city. My city is very beautiful, and so many facilities are available, like hospitalities, police stations, schools, educations, and so many gardens and playgrounds are available.
Hospitality, hospitals. Okay,
Okay,
hospitals.
hospitals.
Describe your house, Vishal.
My house is not a very big, but in my house I have 4 rooms with attached bathroom and one small garden front of my house. In my house, my favorite room is my own room because in my room there all facilities are available. My house is very beautiful. My house color is light pink. I think my house is very beautiful.
Let's talk about online shopping. Nikhil, do you do online shopping?
Eh, no, I'm not interesting. I don't like online shopping because I'm going to a bazaar and
Market.
and see the product and buy this product.
Okay. Do you like online shopping?
Yes, I like online shopping because in the modern era I am use a lot of modern technology. This online shopping is very useful to me. Is easy to use, and it can give a lot of offers in online
It
shopping.
provide a lot of offers.
It provide offers.
What are the benefits of online shopping? Nikhil?
The benefit of online shopping is we give discount and a, we easily buy in.
It is easy to
It is
buy.
easy to buy and any product you leave in you possibly.
So, what are advantages of online shopping?
I think there are a lot of advantages.
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 Advantages of online shopping, like we can do shopping 24 hours, and also it can give a lot of offers, and it's cannot give a fake product on the online shopping.
We could have ad. There are many offers available, and we can buy everything online. The thing which is not available in my city, we can still buy via online.
Okay.
Okay. So, what are disadvantages of online shopping, Nikhil?
The disadvantage of online shopping is you directly not receiving जो this जो दिन दिया हो तो नहीं हैगा.
First of all, you try, then you try again. Okay, Vishal, what are disadvantages of online shopping?
I think it's one major disadvantage of the online shopping is it's give a more time to give you product, and is also waste a lot of time to give your own product.
You want to try again, Nikhil?
No sir.
Okay, the answer can be there are many disadvantages of online shopping. First of all, it can be addictive. We can waste a lot of money on online shopping. Second is that we have to wait for the product to deliver because at least 1 to 2 days
1 to 2
are the
days,
minimum
yes,
that a
yes,
company
yes.
will take to deliver your product. Okay, so now let's talk about what do you do. So what do you do, Nikhil? Do you work or are you a student?
I'm recently completed plus 2 class on senior secondary school education board from Chandigarh Mahali.
Okay, same for you, Vishal.
No, I am not doing a work. I am recently completed my senior education, senior secondary education in Sasam Das Model School. That's now in nowadays I am free.
What were your subjects?
My subjects are arts, history, physics, chemistry, history, English, Punjabi, and so 1 or 2 or more subjects are popular in my country.
I'm talking about your subjects.
Okay.
What subjects did you study? Shall you answer?
I am choose the art stream. In the art stream, I choose biology, physical, and computer subjects.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's talk about. Do you like to take photographs, Nikhil?
Yes, I like to take photographs. Click some photos from my memories. Yes, I like it. Photographs.
Do you like to take photographs?
Yes, I like to take a photographs because I am a picturestic person, It's my hobby to take photos.
Photogenic person. How do you keep your photos, Nikhil?
Sorry.
How do you keep your photos? Save your photos.
Okay, I will save in a mobile phone and or laptop.
How you keep your photos?
In the modern era, technology is very development. Whenever I taking a lot of picture, this photo I save on my mobile, because in the mobile you can give a lot of space and you can save so many picture in the
Not
mobile.
you. In mobile phone, there is a lot of space, and I use mobile phone on daily basis. It is very easy to capture and save my images in my smartphone. Moreover, it has very good memory. I have a good smartphone. Okay. So overall, it is a good attempt, but you need improvements, which I'm sure that you will make. Thank you so much,
Thank
Swat.
you, sir.